make sure no one make sure no one make sure no one Today I show you a laptop very king one, I tell you, super king okay. I show you slowly don't run for student use no for gamer not for student okay. For creator also can I tell you, no issue, good one. Okay, I show you. Wait, watch finish first, don't run Hello guys, this is Swing from Bright Star Computer. Alright, today I'm going to show you a very powerful laptop. Okay, you thought this is normal Predator, I tell you no, you are wrong. This is very new Predator gaming laptop. Okay, I'm going to show you one by one what's specification for all gamer, very heavy gamer or graphic designer or videographer. Take a look. Okay, you must check it out. What's so special about this laptop? I can tell you this is using Intel latest 10th generation i7 10X75H processor. Alright. Secondly, it's using 15.6 inch with IPS screen and come with 300Hz monitor and it support G-Sync as well. Oh, sounds crazy. Alright. This laptop is somehow is with RTX 2070 Super Edition. Okay, you not listen wrong. This is 2070 Super, alright, Super Edition gaming laptop, and then it's come with 8GB DDR6, DDR6 Maxio Edition, alright, 512GB SSD NVMe, and with 16GB 2933 mAh for the RAM. Battery is come with 84 watts. It's continuous using, right? You can last for 4 to 5 hours, no issue, I tell you. Okay, let's check out the weight of this laptop. 17.9 mm. This much. Okay, how much weight for this laptop? Let's check it out. Whoa, it's only 2 kilo, bro. 2 kilo. Okay, man. It looks nice, man. Okay, let's check it out. What port is this available? Let's check out the right side available. What kind of port? So first of all, it's a charger port. Okay, this is a charger port. Second is the LAN port. Third is the USB port. Fourth is the HDMI port and audio jack. Okay, so what is available on another side? So there's these two USB port over here, one mini display port, and then one Type C, and available the light. Okay, laptop lightning. Let's check out what is so special of this laptop. Every Predator they have one special features called Predator Sense. Let's check it out. You see, once you press it, you can see everything is shown over here. It's available for system percentage, GPU percentage, and CPU percentage. It shows you how much it runs. Okay, and second, you can see here you can control all the lighting you want. Up to you, rainbow color or pink color, purple color, up to you as your wish. And then overclock is available for overclock for this Predator gaming laptop. And fan control, it has a maximum fan you can run through up to 4000 RPM. Oh, sounds perfect. Okay, so it's go for 4000 RPM and monitoring. You can check out the temperature, the CPU usage, everything in details by Predator Sense. Game Sync, and then the apps control center. That's simple. Okay, and one more very important part, turbo. Okay, you want to overclock your laptop? Very simple. Make sure your laptop charged with 40% and plug with the charger. Just click it. You can see the difference. Even fan up to 5000 RPM already, guys. 5000. Now how fast is it? Macam it's like F1. Phew! Go already. Okay. So we can see the percentage, everything that goes up because it run with maximum performance. Okay. With gaming, no issue. It's called perfect. Okay. Last conclusion for this laptop. Intel i7 10th generation 10X75H processor with 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, and it support up to 300Hz and support G-Sync as well. Nvidia RTX 2070 Super DDR6 8GB VRAM, okay? Max Q edition, 512GB SSD, PCIe NVMe, alright, 16GB DDR4 RAM. Hers is 2933, 84-watt battery, continuous is lasting up to 4 hours. If you have any question about this laptop, you may comment on the bottom. Okay, ask me, I will answer you one by one. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Okay guys, if you like it, please share it. See you guys.